Welcome to the 1-minute photography. In this video I will show you how to edit Midnight Street preset in Lightroom Classic. So let's go to edit. Exposure -0.51. Contrast +52. Highlights -24. Shadow -28. Whites -100. Black +34. Temperature +8. Tint +1. Vibrance -26. Saturation -21. Next, go to the curve and follow these steps. Then go to the color mix. First go the red color. Saturation +16. Luminance -12. Next go to the orange. Hue -17. Saturation +31. Then go to the yellow. Hue -100.
Saturation -100.
Next go to the green and bring saturation to -100. Then go to the aqua. Hue +100 and saturation -100. Finally bring saturation to -100 for blue, purple and magenta. Next go to the split tones and first go to the shadow. Hue 222. Saturation 10. Luminance -6. Make blending -100. Now go to the midtone. Hue 180. Saturation plus 10. And luminance 6. Next, go to highlights. Hue 209. Saturation 12. Luminance 10. Texture plus 10. Clarity plus 26. Dehaze 42. And vignette minus 20. Next, go the noise reduction. Color noise reduction 27. Luminance noise reduction 21. And now your preset is ready. Now you can save it as a preset and apply to your any photos. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.